Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and that's a 67 GTO, matching numbers 400 under the hood, and isn't she beautiful? Look at that red paint, man. It is glowing here in the showroom, man. Just looks awesome. And then look at all the chrome. All the chrome on the grille looks like it's new. The chrome on the bumper looks like it's new. You always want to check these headlight bezels also. These are in beautiful shape. These babies might actually be original. They're just beautiful chrome. You can just see maybe a faint little bit of age in them, but they are shiny and clean as can be. As you can see, the body lines on the hood are nice and straight. And when you look down the side of this baby, she is straight as an arrow. Looking sweet. Looks like it's got brand new Cragars and brand new BFGs on it. That rocker molding, those door gaps, everything just looking sweet. And look at the reflections in the paint. I'm telling you, the paint is absolutely gorgeous on this car and smooth, just as smooth as can be. All these moldings look great. The vent window all looks like it's got new chrome on it. Just beautiful. Now we're going to open it up. The door handle also looks like it's new. That door jamb's looking nice and clean. You can see it's got new rubber in it. The door panel itself, the armrest looks good. The door handle, the window crank, everything just absolutely beautiful. Now she's an automatic with that his and her shifter in there in the center console. And again, that center console's looking sweet. It's got this pearl white interior that came in these cars. It's just absolutely gorgeous. There are seat belts in the front and in the rear. They look like they're original to the car. Headliner's in good shape. The dome light isn't working. You can see that the wood on the dash is looking good. The steering wheel's looking sweet. I mean, this is just a beautiful example of a car that was very well kept and then very well restored. Absolutely beautiful. You look down that big long quarter panel. You see all those reflections in there? Now you look at the chrome on the back bumper also, it looks like it's new. The trims on the taillights are new. Let's see, I got 3 keys here, wish me luck. Look at that, first try. We got a, looks like a bias ply spare. That's what would have came in the car originally. It looks like it's brand new. We got a little cover here for this spare. And then if there is a floor mat in a car, you definitely want to pull it up and look at that trunk floor. You can see the trunk floor is in great shape. You can see the paintwork on the bottom side of the deck lid also looking good. Now on these GTOs, it's really important to feel this bottom lip. They don't reproduce these deck lids. And that was the first thing to go. That water would come down in here and sit behind that chrome strip. And that's why you need to check those out on every GTO you look at. As you look down the side of it, straight as can be, just absolute, look at those reflections. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own this car, so you know we did our due diligence and checked it out before we bought it. The first thing that happens to every car when they get here is they go up on the lift and they get checked out so we can answer any question you may have. So give Tom a call anytime at 248-974-9513. All right, guys, it is nasty outside. We're not taking this beauty out in the nasty weather. So, she's gorgeous on the dash. Look how nice everything looks. The lens faces, the gauge faces. I mean, just everything looking sweet. And then all the finish on the steering wheel here too, all looking good. The center of the steering wheel looking good. The wheel itself's in good shape. We got the his and her shifter. Now, some of you don't know what the his and her shifter is. That's down here is, you know, first, second, low, and then this is actually your lockout on that side. You can see box is looking good. Center console's in good shape. I mean, just everything about this car is cool, guys. Now, we have test driven it. Everything gets test driven here. We just got the nasty weather here in the last couple of days. I actually drove this car myself, and it is a monster. So cool. And you want to talk about cranking heads around? Everybody wants to check this beauty out. I mean, she's a 67. She's GTO. She's red. So give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom can deliver this baby anywhere in the world. You give him a call. All right, we're underneath the GTO, and man, she's pretty under here too. You can see that it's got a new gas tank. You can see the frame's nicely painted, the cross member here. Chrome looks good on the bumper. We got brand new exhaust also. I see new body mount bushings, and it looks like they've used like a bed liner material on the bottom side of the car. You can see the frame's all nicely painted up here also. The rear end, we got a 10 bolt here. We just rolled it over and we're counting about 389, and it does look like it's a Posi. Looks like the brake lines have been replaced. Of course, on the brakes, the guys here at Vanguard pull the brakes all apart and inspect them, make sure they're installed correctly. The bushings look like they're fairly new here, and the lower control arms. I see new body mount bushings up here also. I see new brake line over here. Looks like the parking brake cable is new. Floorboards look like they're in good shape, nice and solid. Again, they've been coated, looking good. Looks like I got new fuel lines and brake lines going front to back. I see brand new paper tags right here. We do have a turbo 400 trans. It's a 3-speed automatic, similar to what would have come in the car originally. We do have drum brakes up front, and again, the guys pull those apart, check them all out. Sway bar bushings look like they're new. The lower control arms are all pretty, all restored up, looking good. Those bushings right here also look like they're new. The bushings right here look like they're new. You can see the sway bar looks like it's new. It's got a tag on it. The core support's good. Back side of the front bumper is just as clean as the other side, and somebody's phone's ringing. I don't even know who it is. Is it me? No, it's not me. So we got Cragars here. We got two 65 15s up front. And look at that lower molding there, just looking absolutely gorgeous. Now, out back here, we've got some more rubber. We got two 35 60 15s back here. Wheel lip molding looks like it's new. The moldings here look like they're new. And again, that body bushing looks like it's brand new. Guys, we're gonna lower this baby down and look at that 400 under the hood. All right, we're under the hood now, and we've got a numbers matching 400. It is a YS block. You can see everything under here is nice and neat and clean. We got power brakes, power steering, chrome valve covers. It looks like it's got a period correct intake on it and a period correct carburetor. Just everything looking sweet. I see brand new shims down there and the cross arms. Looks like the bushings are in good shape also. You can see how clean the firewall is there. All the wiring's nice and neat. The hoses are all nice and neat. It's looked like they've used the similar to the clamps here look similar to what they did back in the day. Just everything under here is nice and clean. Looks like we got a brand new sending unit going for the temperature. The battery's in good shape. We got a shut off here. And then look at this whole area here. Look how nice they've restored all this. Now on these Pontiacs, normally this is pretty ugly looking. You can see the paint looks good. They've done a beautiful job on that. Bottom side of the hoods got chassis black on it. Bottom edge here is red. We got brand new fiberglass here. You see how they brought the paint work right down inside on the front fenders, right down to the chassis black on the inner front fenders. I mean, just looking beautiful under here, guys. I think I told you, power steering, power brakes, numbers matching 400. She's a gorgeous GTO, and she's a 67, which is my personal favorite. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.